Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is coming in Mendelian disorder. What is the special characteristic of Mendelian disorder? Alteration or mutation occurring in single gene. That point never you forget. What is disorder or alteration only on single gene. So sickle cell anemia is an example of Mendelian disorder, but it is an autosome linked recessive trait only. Already we had learned one sex linked recessive trait. So are you remembering which was that? Hemophilia. Which was that? Hemophilia. So sickle cell anemia is an autosome linked recessive trait only. Autosome linked recessive trait. Sickle cell anemia is an autosome linked recessive trait that can be transmitted from parents to the offspring when both the partners are carrier for the gene only. This is an autosome linked recessive trait that can be transmitted from parents to the offspring when both the partners are carrier for the gene or heterozygous. The disease is controlled by a single pair of allele only. The disease is controlled by a single pair of allele. Two alleles are there. See the alleles HBA and HBS. HBA and HBS. So, sickle cell anemia is an example of autosome linked recessive trait only. Autosome means understood that 22 pair of chromosome only, not sex chromosome. Autosome linked also, and it is a recessive trait also, that can be transmitted from parents to offspring when both the partners are carrier of the gene only. Otherwise, it is not carrying because it is a recessive trait only. Dominant gene is normal, then it will not be carried. When it can be carried from parents to offspring, when both the partners, that is father and mother, both of them are carrier for the gene, then only it can be passed. The disease is controlled by a single pair of allele. The disease is controlled by a single pair of allele, that is HBA and HBS. See HBA and HBS. In that, HBA is normal gene only. HBA is normal gene and HBS is sickle cell anemia. This S in the HBS, one S is there. That is for sickle cell anemia affected, disordered gene only. The HBS is disordered gene. As we know that chromosomal disorder is alteration occurring in single gene only. No, that single gene is this HBS only. Out of the three possible genotypes, only homozygous individuals, this one is also important. See that out of the three possible genotypes, only homozygous individual for HBS shows the diseased phenotype. Out of the three possible genotype, only homozygous. Both the genes are HBS. That is HBS. This one HBS show the diseased phenotype. Heterozygous individuals appear apparently unaffected only. If it is HBS, it is apparently unaffected. Any of you knowing the reason why it is apparently unaffected? Because the dominant gene is normal only. One HBS, see this gene HBA, that is normal gene, that is the dominant gene. If it is present, then also only dominant gene expresses characteristic. Only dominant gene expresses characteristic. But they are carrier of the disease, as there is a 50% probability of transmission of the mutant gene to the progeny. But they are carrier of the disease, as there is 50% probability of transmission of the mutant gene to the progeny. Thus exhibiting sickle cell trait. This is the sickle cell trait. This one, see that, then you will be understood better. This is normal RBC, double convex, spherical shape only, spherical shape, normal HBA, normal one only. Last year this question asked, this current, which is the last board exam, now this question asked that. In sickle cell anemic patient, HBS gene is present. This HBS is the disordered gene. Single gene which is undergoing disorder is this HBS gene only. This shape, that elongated sickle cell shape. The sickle, all of you knowing, the sickle is an instrument used to cut the vegetables, cut the crops at the time of harvesting. It has this shape only. What is the benefit getting from this spherical shape? It can easily pass through the blood vessels. If it is normal, round in shape, spherical in shape, it can easily pass through the blood vessel. So in our body, we all are normal only. In our body, RBC having this shape only because we are having normal HbA gene only. HbA gene, that is the normal gene. So it is easily passing through the blood vessel. But who are having this disordered gene, HbS gene, they are having sickle cell RBC, sickle cell shaped RBC only. Because of this shape, what will be happen? These two ends, sickle cell means two sharpened end is there. This sharpened end will be stuck on the wall of the blood vessel. As a result, blood flow will not be takes place. What will be happened if blood flow is not taking place? Then important organs of our body like brain, kidney, liver, these all are not getting oxygen and nutrients. If it is not getting oxygen, brain, kidney, liver, these important organs are not getting oxygen, the person will die also. So it is very serious disease only because of the sickle shape. What will be happen? They will be stuck on the blood vessels, wall of the blood vessel. If these are smooth and round spherical shape only, so they can easily pass through that. Understood? So this is sickle cell only. So three condition already told. So three conditions say that out of the three possible genotypes, only homozygous individuals, homozygous means HbS, HbS. Both dominant gene and recessive gene, both of them are sickle cell. Then only this disease will be appear in the phenotype. External appearance will be there. If it is heterozygous means one dominant gene is normal, one recessive gene is sickle shape. This person will be remain normal only, normal, apparently unaffected only. But they are carrier of the disease because already gene is present there. So this gene they can be carried from one generation to the other generation. Understood? But they are carrier of the disease as there is 50% probability of transmission of the mutant gene to the progeny. Thus exhibiting sickle cell trait, the defect is caused by the substitution of glutamic acid. The defect is caused by the substitution of glutamic acid. Why this defect is happening? That is very interesting only. This defect is happening because of glutamic acid. Glutamic acid. What is glutamic acid? Glutamic acid is an amino acid only. This defect is caused by the substitution of glutamic acid by another amino acid only. Which is that amino acid? Valine at the 6th position of beta globin chain of hemoglobin molecule. Do you know hemoglobin? The red color given pigment in the blood is called hemoglobin only. Actually, this hemoglobin having 4 polypeptide chain. How many polypeptide chain? 4 polypeptide chain are there in the hemoglobin. 2 are alpha type. Out of this 4, 2 are alpha type and 2 are beta type only. 2 are alpha type and 2 are beta type. Understood? In that 4 chains are there. In that also numerous millions of amino acids joining, then only a polypeptide chain is forming. Like that 1-2 joining, then a polypeptide chain is not joining. Many amino acids in linear fashion using peptide linkage joining, then only polypeptide chain forming. Like that 4 polypeptide chain are there. In that only one polypeptide chain, only one amino acid misplaced, because of that only this disease is occurring. Now you understood the importance of gene. Particular position should be maintained for that, otherwise this organism will be suffer much genetic disorders. Understood? Total 4 chain are there in the hemoglobin. That also very long chain only. Millions of amino acids are joined in such a way for a polypeptide chain. Like that 4 polypeptide chain are there. In that one of the polypeptide chain, in that thousands of amino acid, one amino acid, that is glutamic acid, in the 6th position. Linearly it is arranged. So 6th position, glutamic acid is there for the normal one. In our body, we all are normal only. We are not having sickle cell, means we are normal one only. So in the 6th position of one of the chain, instead of glutamic acid, which amino acid came there? Valine came there at the 6th position of the beta globin chain of the beta chain of the hemoglobin molecule. Understood? Instead of glutamic acid, This defect is caused by the substitution of glutamic acid by which amino acid? Valine. Which position? Sixth position. In which chain? Beta chain. In hemoglobin, 2 beta chain and 2 alpha chain are there. At the sixth position of the beta globin chain of the hemoglobin molecule, the substitution of amino acid in the globin protein results due to single base substitution at the sixth codon of the beta globin gene from GAG to GUG. The substitution of amino acid in the globin protein results due to single base substitution at the sixth codon of the beta globin gene from GAG to GUG. This codon and all up to now we didn't learn. In smaller classes or secondary classes you might be learned, that I am not knowing, but we are going to learn in next lesson only. So this codon only, using this is a code only. By using this code only, amino acids are selecting. This code is selecting. By using this code, a 3-letter code it is called as genetic code. We will learn about this one in the next lesson. Don't want to worry. These are genetic codons, 3-letter codon only. By using this 3-letter code only, actually amino acids are selecting while preparing the protein or polypeptide chain. And single base substitution at the sixth codon of beta globin G from GAG to GUG. Actually, GAG is there, then glutamic acid will be selected. That is normal one. Understood? If the genetic code GAG is there in the DNA, then which amino acid will be selected from the cytoplasm for making polypeptide? GAG will be selected, glutamic acid only. But because of the disorder, genetic disorder, that is chromosomal, now we are learning Mendelian disorder. Because of this Mendelian disorder, this GAG is converted to GUG. Only one letter only changed, that is bringing a very serious effect in that person. Because of this GUG, what will be happen? Instead of glutamic acid, valine is selected as the amino acid in the sixth position. Because of that silly mistake, we are thinking that 4 chain are there, thousands of amino acid are there, then what will be happen if one amino acid is going from here to there? That defect only causing this much serious effect in that person. Understood? So, in a normal person like us, means one who are not having this sickle cell anemia, GAG code will be there. If GAG code is there, then glutamic acid will be selected and sixth position of the beta chain, glutamic acid will be there. If genetic disorder is there, this Mendelian disorder is there, instead of GAG, GUG code will be there. If GUG code is there, then valine will be selected. So as a result in beta chain, valine will be there at the position. Understood? So the mutant hemoglobin molecule undergoes polymerization under low oxygen tension, causing the change in the shape of the RBC. If it is filled with oxygen, then it is having a spherical shape. Spherical shape only. When it is having spherical shape, if it is filled with the oxygen. So because of this valine is came in the sixth position, it cause low oxygen tension only. Low oxygen means it is having converted shape to sickle shape only. If it is filled with oxygen, then what will be happening? It is having a spherical shape only. In a normal person, this RBC is having spherical shape only. And in diseased person, what will be happen? Because of low oxygen tension or low oxygen pressure, it is not having the spherical shape. Instead of that, it is converted into sickle cell shape only. So, what is the difference of round shape and sickle shape? Already I told that if it is round shape and smooth, it is very easy to flow through the blood vessels. Understood? So, easily pass and reaching to different organs and giving nutrients and oxygen to the different vital organs of our body. But if it is converted into sickle cell, then what will be happen? Because of the sharp end, it will be stuck on the wall of the blood vessel. So easy flow of the blood will not be there. So our vital organ will not get enough oxygen. As a result, the person will die also. Understood? So the mutant hemoglobin molecule undergoes polymerization under low oxygen tension, causing the change in the shape of the RBC from biconcave disc to elongated sickle cell structure. I will show one more time the diagram to you. Biconcave shape, see that. This is the biconcave shape. Both the sides are concave only. Both the sides are concave. Like this. Concave shape only. Both the sides are concave. and by that it is converted to sickle cell. This shape is called a sickle cell shape. So this is the normal one, and this is the sickle cell anemia, anemic patient only. So sickle cell anemia, a small change only occurring, position of one amino acid only changed among thousands or millions of amino acid. One amino acid changes its position. Actually, in normal person, sixth position, glutamic acid should be there in the beta chain. But in diseased person, instead of glutamic acid, which amino acid came there? Valine. Why valine came there? That because this genetic code changed from GAG to GUG. GAG selecting glutamic acid and GUG selecting valine only. So when GAG changed to GUG, instead of glutamic acid, valine is selected from the cytoplasm and joined on the polypeptide chain. That only causing this much. As a result, the mutant hemoglobin molecule undergoes polymerization under low oxygen tension, causing the change in the shape of the RBC from biconcave disc to elongated sickle cell structure only. So all of you understood sickle cell anemia. This last year also this question asked you. It can be repeated also because it is very important only. It is showing there. Sixth position, see that. In a normal one, sixth position glutamic acid is seen here. See, glutamic acid is there. In the sixth position, glutamic acid. Here, sixth position, what is there? Valine only. And who is selecting this glutamic acid? GAG is selecting the glutamic acid. Now, the selection and all we will be learning in another lesson. So, don't want to worry about what it is. Now, you have to understand the genetic codes are meant to select the amino acid. Detail is given in the another lesson, next lesson. GUG is a misguided code. This is because of this code only valine is selected. Code is changed because of the genetic disorder. GAG is converted into GUG. Understood? So this also you have to draw this chart also. You can draw along with the answer. So it will be a complete answer for you. And shape is also there, and it is a don't want to forget that it is an autosome linked recessive trait only. Three possibilities are there. Which are the three possibilities? HBA, HBA, very normal only. HBA, HBA, very normal. HBA, HBS, carrier, and HBS, HBS, sickle cell only. So which are the three possibilities? One more time I say, HBA, HBA, very normal. We all are HBA, HBA only because we are very normal. In case of sickle cell anemia only, I am saying that we are not having this diseased gene or disordered gene. So our genetic constitution is HBA, HBA. HB for hemoglobin, A for normal one only. And if it is HBA and HBS, one is normal and one is sickle cell, then it will be act as a carrier only. Carrier means passing from one generation to another generation. If third possibility is HBS, HBS, both of them are HBS only, dominant also HBS or recessive. So no hope at all. The person will be sickle cell anemic only. So all of you understood the sickle cell anemia. Now I will show you the slide related to that sickle cell anemia. This is sickle cell anemia. It is a recessive one only. One pedigree analysis shown to you. This capital H is mentioned for healthy one and small h is mentioned for sickle cell only. Sickle cell for small h. So this is carrier only. One normal and one. So carrier, and this is small hh means sickle cell patient. Here marriage is taking place between carrier male and disease affected sickle cell anemic patient only. 4 children are there in this one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Suppose 4 children are there in this marriage, and this is disease affected sickle cell son, and this is carrier son, and this is sickle cell daughter. This is carrier daughter only. In that sickle cell, here marriage is again between this daughter and deceased son. Then 2 children are there. Their heritage is shown there only. So all of you understood this sickle cell anemia. It is an autosomal recessive trait only. Because of the disorder, what is happening in the body, the change in the shape of RBC will be takes place. how this change is occurring and all we discussed here. I think that all of you understood well. If any doubt you are having, you have to call me. I will send these slides for you. One more time see, and any difficulty you are having, then you have to inform me. My WhatsApp number is there in the group, so I will